Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tune Toyota 86 step by step. Start by gathering basic tools, an OBD2 reader, torque wrench, jack stands, and a service manual. I'll walk through intake and exhaust checks, ECU basics, and simple bolt-on upgrades that yield reliable gains. This guide keeps safety first and focuses on practical steps you can do at home or with a local tuner for better daily driving. In this video, I will show how to tune Toyota 86 step by step. Begin with a complete baseline inspection and record data from a dyno or log so you can quantify changes. Check spark plugs, air filter, vacuum lines, brakes, tires, and cooling to avoid surprises during tuning. This prepares the car so every adjustment has measurable impact and reduces the chance of tuning-related faults during road or track testing. In this video, I will show how to tune Toyota 86 step by step. Focus on bolt-on hardware first. Intake, exhaust, and headers to improve airflow, then source a matched ECU tune or reputable piggyback. Learn to read AFR, knock, and timing data so you can adjust safely. If you plan higher power, upgrade fueling and cooling accordingly, and always test in controlled conditions or with professional assistance to protect the engine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.